setting up a trust fund, or writing their will, so so the kids don't fight with each other. Money is managed responsibly, blah blah blah. And he goes, wouldn't it be better just to raise some children, fall out with their family over money,
So a lot can go down in a 14-day quarantine. So just like everybody else, I guess you just have to follow a schedule, a routine, to have a guide to get you through the day. Now, it's very important for me to have one because I'm very disorganized. What I've done during these past 6 days, just to get me through the hump, man, just to get me past that boredom, right? And to be productive at the same time. So first and foremost,
yep, you guessed that right. This is the most important part of my day.
I need this. Next, I need something to straighten out my brain, to straighten out my mind, because I'm pretty disorganized, right? So I have to go through a form of meditation, whether I listen to a podcast or I blast some tune that can get my blood flowing, But today, I jammed to one of my all-time favorite bands. Actually, I warmed up to that song. And after I warmed up, just like any workout, you warm up, right? I went straight in. Having to have a workout every day since the past 6 days, my soiled clothes or my laundry is really going to pile up, man. So I've had to literally wash my clothes. But this is a hotel. It's not a hotel apartment. It's kind of bare. So the usual amenities that you need, like a washing machine or a kitchen set, is not. So I had to ask for a water basin from the hotel earlier, but
we want kids to learn from that experience. But we love
Sir, actually, I'm just calling to double check if ever you have received the bassinet that you requested.
Oh, well, it's funny because it's a small one. It's the one with the handle. It's not the big one where you can wash your clothes with. So.
Sir, actually, I double checked with the housekeeping. That's the only pail bassinet that we have in the hotel, sir.
That's sad news, but that's okay. Anyway, I'll find some use for this. And thank you very much. You guys are doing an excellent job. You guys stay safe.
Yes, you too, sir. If ever you need anything, you can advise us.
For sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
guess I'll just have to deal with this bad boy.
I don't have one of them accessories where you can just attach the GoPro and you can just basically do whatever you want with it. But you know, we find ways. No excuses, brother. Now let's wash some clothes. Where I'm quarantining right now, I can't complain, man. The place is good. It's 5-star, but time to watch this bad boy. If you guys want some of this, just comment below. Man, life is good. Life is good. Now I'm washing my clothes on the sink. This is it's good for content.
They couldn't provide me with a water basin, so what they had to do is like attend to my other requests, and that's good. Like I've been in their shoes more than once, because I've worked in 2 hotels in my life, and yeah, these guys are actually pretty doing a decent job. Hats off to them, really good. Like, and here's what they had to say. Hello.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rachon. Gusto ko lang po kayo kamustahin po.
I'm good. Is everything okay?
Thank you. If you need anything, sir, just let us know po.
I requested some water a while back.
Okay. I'll check on it po.
But thank you.
Thank you.
You guys are so...
Oh, so you see that? Like, honestly, I felt their hospitality after that call. I mean, yeah, like I've been on the other side, man. I know how it feels, like trying to, give each guest the best experience ever, and it's not an easy job. It's not an easy job. I think no job is easy, I think, but hats off to these people. And of course, man, you gotta reciprocate that too. Your role as a guest, okay? Don't be douchey. Also put yourself in their situation, but also be empathetic to their situation. They're in a very tough spot, Trust me, I've been there. I know what it feels like. And you gotta reciprocate, practice kindness.
Mr. Center, good afternoon, Ricky. Can I help you?
Hey, I just got the water. I just wanna say thanks. I got it. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
The rest of the day sounds like this.
Kumuni, ang structure sa akong hapon. Mga birol rani kay. You get what I mean. If wala gid ko'y tarong nga schedule all throughout the day, makaon ra gid siya mag-scroll up and down sa social media. So ikaw, like, how do you structure your day? Comment lang mo diya sa ubos. Actually, gi-insert na ko ni ako ang voiceover dre kay nag-copyright claim siya YouTube. So, kapansin ko, if there is a voiceover, dili kayo ma-apply ang copyright claim. Still learning. It's fun. We're having to work around copyright claims. How are you finding this vlog though? Please leave us a comment. If trip ni mo ning a vlog, you might also be interested sa among podcast. Check us out. Follow, like, and subscribe to our YouTube.
You guys known me as the guy from Huge Upside, right? So yeah, we have a podcast. It's called Huge Upside. We've been doing this a year. It's been fun. This podcast is not mine alone. My guy Us Koy Sarmento is back in Alay Bukidnon. Yeah, how did we get into podcasting? Well, basically, we just like to talk shit. Nah, not just joking. Like, we're done talking shit, but we just like to get our thoughts out there, talk to people, learn from people.
Second chances in life, man. There's always like after any struggle.
We've had some highs and lows already in this podcast game. We've experienced it all. Still getting there, but if you'd like to support our cause, we're just in Spotify. We're also on YouTube. We're an Apple Podcast too. You know where to find us. I do podcasts, right? But at the same time, I also do that for a living. I actually work for a podcaster. I work for the past half of the year. Also work for a client looking for podcasts, like getting leads. So like really like I'm entrenched to this thing, but not really to say that, not at the point that I'm confident or I'm an expert or a savant or I'm a genius or something. No, I'm learning a lot actually from working online as a VA at the same time. It's fun. Yes, so basically they had to give, basically it's 3 a.m. and I'm still, so what does that even mean? I'm special or something? No. But I just want to say my piece. I'll be fine knowing that I made something that was crappy, that I finished this, but what I can't take